How's it going, guys? So today we're gonna do an unboxing. Right now we're gonna unbox an aftermarket spoiler right here. We've been holding on to this since like 2024. So in today's episode, finally, I'm gonna see if I could install it. It's imported from China before the tariffs hit. So it looks just like ice cap. It doesn't have any type of pearlescent effect. So it might be a little bit off color versus the wind chill pearl color. But here it is. Here it is. It goes on top like that. Huh. Fitment wise, I guess. Oh, color's off. Color's definitely off. It's too bright. It's too white. Let's see if I could tell the difference further apart. Yeah, I'm not sure you could tell the difference further apart, but I mean, fitment's good. Ready, move it a little bit here. It fits. Just make sure the 3M is on there pretty good. And fitment's okay. Loops around here. Alright. I think from further away it looks fine. Right, from further away. And I think this one goes like that. Yeah, like that. Let me get my phone. Alright, so here you have the middle part. This is the part that holds everything together. The most contact points. Right along here. And then I'm gonna finish it off with some 3M right around the corner. And take off all the 3M tape, I guess. Okay. That's it. That's it. I'm gonna flip this around. And then it's better if I do this. I don't know about that. Okay. Let me know what you guys think. How's the rear end? It's pretty aggressive, right, for a Sienna? Especially with no tailpipes. A corny rail. But Sienna all blacked out there. A blacked out gloss black mid deck spoiler. Walking around, you got some Lego stuff. You got some adventure trim, some stock rims. This is a wannabe Sienna, but it's our Sienna. But what I did today, just right now, finally, I had this laying around since 2024. I have a spoiler on it. One of those like Oettinger spoilers from the Mark 7 days. This is the same type of design with the airflow right in the middle. It's held on by 3M tape. So far, it's holding up pretty good. I just stuck it on, and the matching part is a little bit brighter, a little bit more ice cap versus the wind chill pearl, but it has a little bit of the pearlescent flakes in there. Walking farther away, you can't really tell. It's a pretty decent paint match, I would say. This compared to my old spoiler that I purchased and ended up selling, I think I like the design more. I want it to be a little bit more color matched, I guess, instead of going for the black, because I have a lot of black trim around the car already. So I think the black would have worked too. As you can see, we got rid of our roof box. And here's how the Sienna looks profile wise. And overall, this install was pretty straightforward. 3M tape, they included the 3M tape. I got it from AliExpress, pre-tariffs, so I got this for, I don't know, like about 100, I think. A little bit extra for them to color match it. Came in white, gloss black, and carbon fiber, so I went for the white. Went 3M tape all around here, and 3M tape made a box, square, and an X right here with the most surface area to stick on. And then on the side I also did a little bit of 3M tape, so it's held on all by tape. And judging from the previous cars like the Golf R Mark 7 days, it's gonna hold up pretty good because that held up for like 5 years. So this one I hope should be the same. And looking further back, this is how the car looks. Definitely a little bit more standout-ish versus the other ones, but again, in a whole highway city of ride shares and everything, without the cargo box, sometimes you do get lost thinking which one's ours, especially when you're driving from the front. From the front it looks like just any ordinary XSE, but here it is. All right, haven't washed it, haven't done anything to it, haven't had time. I'm actually daily driving this to work recently, and daily driving this to work has been quite something because it takes a while for me to get out of our driveway right here. It's a tight driveway, and just today I almost effed up the sliding doors. I was in such a hurry and I left, and I didn't close the sliding doors, and I almost ended up scratching. Imagine curve rashing this. Let me pause for a little bit. So here's what happened. This thing actually came out, so I have to push this back in now because this thing, I actually need to glue this back. I don't even know how to glue this in. Definitely need to glue it in, but I need to find some, find some tape and tape this back up. As I was saying, I almost messed up the car before by just leaving the driveway way too quickly. But yeah, I've been daily driving the Sienna for this week, and pros and cons. Pros is really gas efficient. Cons, it's huge. It takes a while to get into the parking lot. Also, it takes a little bit longer to find the perfect parking space because this is a long vehicle. It's a tight driveway, tight parking lot, so we don't want anything hitting it while we're gone. Overall, this is how it goes. Should have maybe like put a coat of ceramic coat on it, I mean. But so far I just put on some synthetic turtle wax on it with ceramic coating, and it should be okay for now. If you have any questions, let me know what you guys think. I should do it before and after. But here it is. Alright, so on that note, happy 4th. I'll see you guys soon. Take care.